Unit 6, Unitary Methods. To enable students to find the cost of one item when the cost of many is given, solve problems based on ratio and proportion. Describe the concept of unitary method. The method that is used to find the value of just a unit from the given value of multiples and to find the value of multiple with given value of a unit is known as unitary method. The name is derived from the word unit, which means one. In this method, basically either we find out the measure, amount, etc. of only one object when the value of many objects is given to us, or we find out the value of many objects when the value of same object's single unit is given to us. Calculate the value of many objects of the same kind when the value of one of these objects is given. Calculate the value of number of same type of objects when the value of another number of the same objects is given. Direct and inverse proportion. Ratio. Ratio is a relationship between two quantities of similar type. It used for comparing values. The ratio of A and B, where B is not equal to 0, can be written as follows. Proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. The symbol for proportion is 4 dots or equals. Proportion says that two ratios, or fractions, are equal. Sizes. When shapes are in proportion, their relative sizes are the same. Here we see that the ratios of head length to body length are the same in both drawings, so they are proportional. Making the head too long or short would look bad. Working with proportions. Direct proportion. Two values x and y are directly proportional to each other when the ratio x:y, or x by y, is a constant, always remains the same. This would mean that x and y will either increase together or decrease together by an amount that would not change the ratio. Knowing that the ratio does not change allows you to form an equation to find the value of an unknown variable. Inverse proportion. Two values x and y are inversely proportional to each other when their product xy is a constant, always remains the same. This means that when x increases, y will decrease, and vice versa, by an amount such that xy remains the same. Knowing that the product does not change also allows you to form an equation to find the value of an unknown variable.